Hey guys, and today we're gonna join Roblox right now, guys. Let's get on Roblox, get on beeswarm.
Whoa, that guy just exploded me.
Be quiet, talk quiet. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you btools, how to get btools in beeswarm. Whoa,
dude, who keeps
in the fake admin, the fake beeswarm.
It's really annoying.
Stop. Shh. Quiet. Talk like this, okay? Like that.
Okay, I might want to join a different server.
Okay guys, so this is it. So what you do is go to admin, put it on beeswarm or anything you want, and then type in this shift shift btools me and then there it is, and then you can do this shift fly me. So once you fly, you can grab this and then go like this and then go.
Okay.
There you go. Do everything. So if you copy, let's copy that. Copy that. We can make the longest
person chasing me
thing ever.
Guys, let's go over here, guys.
Let's build.
There's no one knowing the YouTuber. In some servers, no one knows I'm a YouTuber.
Keep building.
And a lot of servers, people actually look at my channel and they're like, "Is this Roblox player from the YouTube channel?" And they're like, "Oh my god!" Sometimes one person actually used to be. They're like, "Oh my god!" Once, like if I was Mixer Beat or something, like Dan Taylor, Think Noodle. You know, Think Noodles gets like.
So guys, that's btools right there.
What the heck just happened? I hate when people size themselves. Okay, I need someone to
that and destroy like there.
Wait, is that
destroy everything.
It looks like everything.
You can do admins in this and everything.
Oh my god.
Like the btools. You can use btools. You can destroy anything you want, guys. You can destroy whatever you want. I don't know if you guys can see the shop when you destroy it. I don't know if you can. No, not the shop. The king beetle. Can you see the king beetle, guys? You try it. Why don't you guys go try it? Make one admin, put beeswarm in it, and then
listen in the chat. Someone.
And then do that, and then you get btools and look up btools, guys.
And then that's the first one I said in the lobby. Okay, guys. So I just said.
Okay, let's get okay, guys, let's hit 3,000 subscribers this time and 3,000 likes. Okay, guys, let's try to hit that and watch my latest video where I got the honey dipper. Actually, guys.
And it's
and that's the porcelain, but the honey dipper, like the regular honey dipper. The honey dipper. I said honey dipper. It's honey dipper.
Yeah, let's go this way.
So we're gonna wreck everything.
Dude, actually the hobby. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna get the admin.
Everything.
Yo, okay, then I'm gonna TP. Oh, I don't have to do the corn.
The btools is pretty fun, guys. Gotta admit it. It's really fun. Destroying stuff. Copier's not too fun.
Dude, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna TP.
Like delete people.
I'm gonna see if I can actually do this.
You can delete everything in the game.
Size me 100.
No parkour.
Someone just got rid of my admin, did they?
No parkour. Look at no leaves.
No, it's a Java% admin.
Nothing. But the book piece of crap.
There we go. Size me 10.
And the maze. Oh yeah. I found the royal jelly. Yay!
Oh.
It is so easy to find the royal jelly once you have the btools.
Really? That guy just got rid of my admin? No? That guy's getting rid of my admin.
I just got rid of the royal jelly.
Oh my god, who keeps doing this?
Let's get rid of the top list.
Who keeps doing this? It's annoying.
Then
I'm gonna say
we can go through the whole. Let's go through.
This guy just
Wait,
keeps
what?
getting rid of admins.
You can go through it. You guys.
I'm not
I
gonna
don't know
say
that
yes,
works.
because I'm gonna get an admin. And I'm gonna say stop getting rid of admins. Let me just put that out loud, guys. Yeah, it is annoying, guys.
Wait, I just deleted that.
The other guy. I'm saying the other guy. And I'm saying the other guy. And I'm saying the other guy. Really?
Okay, guys, that is btools, just so you know. And then that's all the btools, guys. No more pictures of your face. More pictures of your face, and no more nothing. Okay, so guys, let's leave the game
Every time you get rid of
and
the admin,
rejoin, guys. Okay, we'll leave the game and rejoin.
Should I punish Plank?
What?
Should I punish Plank?
Yeah, do it. Punish. Okay, guys, so
I gotta make sure he doesn't have admin.
this is
Punish Plank.
speed 900. So, guys, this is how high the yellow cannon should go. So I'll show you how to do this trick. So go to speed 900. It's kind of hard to get there.
Who keeps doing this? I'm gonna pick another admin.
Okay, then you go like this and you go.
Keep doing this. It's annoying.
No.
Stop. It's
So what you want to do? Oh,
annoying.
oh my
Stop.
god,
It's
dude.
annoying.
Let's see if
I'm
it
gonna say
works.
that in the chat.
Whoa, you can do it up here.
No.
There we go, guys.
You. It's you.
Whoa. That's one of it, and then this is how high it should go. The red cannon.
That's
how high it should go.
That's
how
so
high
it.
it should
I'm playing
go.
another admin game, guys. That is so it. This close admin right now. I'm so mad at it.
Yeah.
Guys, I guess
So
that's
guys,
the whole video.
whoa.
Annoying close admin. Bye.
And guys, if you give me 3,000 subscribers and likes, I'll do another video where we do some MLG stunts, like MLG lands and beeswarm with the speed.
I'm gonna do some
See what happens. See what happens if I jump. If I go over here. Whoa. Wait. Whoa. What? Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video here. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Try to hit 3,000 subscribers and likes, and goodbye.